Hello, my name is Nutcracker the Nutcracker, and today I will be showing you how to get out of a second date after being set up wrongly on a match dating site. Like, I met this girl the other day, right, and I thought she was really hot because of her profile picture, but it turns out that she's a real slob. Okay, let me show you over there. Sam?
What? Oh.
Yeah.
Ew.
Right. It's sickening. So, here's how to get out of that. And then, eat it all! Son, give me some of that garlic.
Come on, go down.
Blah, blah. Good. Blah. Good. So, how'd you like dinner, baby?
Well, to tell you the truth, it's not the best time I've ever had. But I do like you.
A lot.
Results may vary.